tattooed and ready to go. Season 5. Keep it alive. Yeah. I got something cool today, man. Basically, we're going to do a whole Cheetos meal. Yeah, a whole flaming hot Cheetos meal. Yeah, man. I thought this was really cool. I see online, I see the Cheetos Mac and Cheese. You get me? I thought that's cool. You get me? So I've done a little bit of research and we're going to make some Cheetos, flaming hot Cheetos chicken wings. We're going to make some flaming hot Cheetos shrimp. Yeah? And we're going to do a little cool thing with them. And we're going to make some Cheetos Mac and Cheese. Yeah, that's what we're doing today, people. It's called Can Vibe. Oiii. Yeah, people, look. Cheetos Mac and Cheese, flaming hot. It's cool, isn't it? Yeah. I'm not really one for the hype, but I thought, you know what, look, and it's cool, man, look. Basically, it just says, just boil and then just add butter and add the seasoning. They don't tell you to bake it or add any cheese or whatever. But I just thought, you know what, let's make it and then just sprinkle some cheese on top. We're not going to bake it, we're just going to sprinkle some cheese on top. We got some red Leicester and we got some, my favourite, Applewood. If you know about the Applewood cheese. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, that is the mac and cheese. We're going to get busy and show you what we're going to do with the chicken wings. Yeah, flaming hot chicken wings. Look and learn, cook and vibe, Oiii. Yeah, so this, people, this is what inspired me for this. We got Cheetos Mac and Cheese. So, yeah. Guys, we are on the run up to 50K. Yes, that's right. So don't forget to subscribe, please and thanks. Oiii.
Giving thanks and praise to Jah. Giving thanks and praise to God.
Yeah, man, chicken wing, flaming hot chicken wings. Right, it's quite actually simple. Now, we're going to season the chicken wings, first of all, with some all-purpose seasoning. Yeah? Now, just lightly seasoned because we want to taste the flaming hot Cheetos. What we're going to do is, going to change, flaming hot Cheetos is going to be like our kind of breadcrumbs. So what we're going to do, you're going to need a blender and we're going to blend them up, right? So we're going to blend them up. We're going to season the chicken. We're going to fry the chicken for about 7 minutes with the seasoning on it. We're going to fry them for 7 minutes. After them 7 minutes are done, we're going to take them out. We're going to dip them in hot sauce, all right? Whatever hot sauce you want to use, just get a bowl, put the hot sauce in a bowl, dip it in the hot sauce, and then we're going to dip it in the flaming hot Cheetos as the crumbs, and then we're going to put it in the oven and bake it for like 12 minutes. You understand? Yeah, man. Cheetos chicken wings. And we're going to do with some shrimp soon as well, isn't it? Yeah. Yes, people. So you can see how many I've got in there. You get me? So what you're going to do is just... You get me? Oiii! Cook and vibe! When it's done, it will look like that. You get me? That is our breadcrumbs. That's our Cheetos breadcrumbs. Oiii! Yo! Everything ready. Chicken season up and ready to go. We got our flaming hot Cheetos crumbs. And we've got our hot sauce. You get me? I used this one. I would have really liked to use the red hot sauce. You know the one. Get that if you can. You get me? So yeah. We're going to start frying the chicken. Remember, 7 minutes. We're going to start frying the chicken in batches. And we're going to start having a look at this. And start getting this going and our shrimp ready to go.
People say when your jerk chicken tastes like real jerk chicken, like a chicken and soak from Jesus time, get McGrill's jerk yard marinade. You make your chicken taste like a God cookie. It hot?
Don't forget, people. Don't forget, at the end of the show, we're going to find out who won the tattoo competition. And you know what I'm saying? You win yourself a tattoo. You get me? Oiii. Yes! Now you got to have man hands for this or let them cool down. But me no business, man, because me have man hands. So you see the chicken wing? Yeah? Hot sauce. Dip that round in the hot sauce. Yeah. Drip off the excess, otherwise, if you don't drip off the excess, you're gonna make your mixture all wet up. You understand? So we just mix that around in that. And there we have it. You get me? Cheetos chicken wing. You're going for another one. Get off the excess. And just mix that around a little bit more on the side there. Woii. You know what I mean? Woii! Cheetos chicken wing got it looking bad, you know what I'm saying? A lie! You get me? Bake them for 12 minutes. We're gonna get the pasta on now, you understand? Yeah, and then deal with the shrimp, quick and fast. Yeah, boiling water. It's normal pasta in there, but I mean, I don't know what you expected. This, you know what I mean? But this is the secret seasoning. Okay, so this is what I paid £8 for. £8. I ain't got dirty fingernails, it's Cheetos. £8 I paid for this seasoning. Let's cook our boy! Woii! Food seasoning. We're doing some shrimp now. So I'm just gonna give it a little seafood seasoning. A light seasoning. Come remember say, we want to taste the Cheetos. You get me? So I've got some more mixture, and what I've got is I've got some flour here. I've got some flour here. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna add some of the crushed up Cheetos mixture. Alright, that should be enough. To the actual flour. But you know what, we can add all that. We're gonna add all of that. So we're just gonna mix this round, and then the random one that didn't break up there. So we're just gonna mix this round so we've got some Cheetos, basically our coating. Cheetos, you get me? Yeah, so we're just gonna get the shrimp, mix them around in their seasoning, put them in this flour, you get me? Just toss them around. Just coat all the shrimp, you get me? And then we're gonna leave that for a minute, and then we're gonna recoat it again. Yeah? All right. So what I do, people, is once I've coated them, I dip them in milk, and then I'll recoat them again, and it just gives it a nice crisp. You know. Don't forget to subscribe, people. Otherwise, you're gonna lose all your toenails. Woii, the shrimp them done. You see me? It got a nice little reddish colour to it as well from the Cheetos. You get me? So I'm gonna show you what we're gonna do with these next. Woii. Yeah. Cheetos shrimp. So what I've got, people, right? Excuse me. So I've got these flaming hot, twisted crisps, right? And I thought it'd be really cool. So what I'm gonna do, right, is we're gonna get, and as you can see, our shrimp are nice and red and like Cheetos. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna fold that around the crisp. So we're just gonna wrap it around it like that. This one's a bit of a better one here, as you can see. So yeah, we're just gonna add all the shrimp to the crisps, you know what I mean? So we've got flaming hot Cheetos twists. I even know if I said that right, but why? Yes, all right, let's do this Cheetos Mac and Cheese. So it's a bit of a blag, really, I'm gonna be honest with you. But yeah, basically, we've cooked the pasta, yeah? What they tell you to do is add some butter. So you're gonna add 2 tablespoons of butter. And then after that, where's my tea towel? Woii. After that, the secret seasoning that we paid, we pretty much paid £8 for. You know what I'm saying? So expensive, it doesn't open. Yeah. Smells like flaming hot Cheetos actually. And there we go. See it there, people? Have a look at that. And what we do is we just mix this round. Get that all coated nicely. You can see it changing colour. Get that butter in there, get that butter melted. Yeah! There we go. Oh, drop the spoon there. That spoon don't want to stay still. There we go, people. You get me? The mac and cheese, the Cheetos mac and cheese. Woii. All right, let's plate out the food card. Chicken wings, them ready. Chicken wings ready. Woii. Yeah, man. So we just get the flaming hot Cheetos pasta. About it's not even bloody mac and cheese, man. No type of cheese or nothing involved in this. You get me? So yeah, there we go. We put that to the side, and what we do is we just, you understand? Yeah. Oh gosh. Oh gosh, look at this. We got Cheetos chicken wings. We got Cheetos mac and cheese. And we've got Cheetos shrimp with Cheetos twisted crisps. Wow, look at that. A full Cheetos meal. Yeah, man. A mad thing. What taste time? What taste time, people? Yeah, man. Cheetos full meal. It's a mad thing. Let's go straight in for this £8 mac and cheese that. Now, there's a little flavour into it. But it just smells like pasta, really. Got black there. Definitely got black there, people. Shrimp with the twisted crisp. Mmm. Now that's nice. Mmm. Very nice. Shrimp, 10/10. Pasta. Mmm. Alright. Oh, sorry. Right. Chicken wing. I really want to see what this tastes like. I'm actually excited about this one. Now that's really nice. That's actually really nice. Yeah. Cheetos chicken wings. Mmm. So everything that I made is nice. And whatever come in the post that I ordered, not all that. But that says it all, doesn't it, people? Mmm. Well, I hope you enjoyed the episode. Gotta be honest. I was running a bit late this week. I was thinking, what am I going to do this week? And I see this. I thought, let me do a whole Cheetos meal. You get me? So you don't know, people. You know how it works. Big up section. And then I'll see you next time. I think it's only a week or so until we've got the new segment, Dining with Dot. You get me? So, big up yourselves, man. I love you lot. I've been doing this tattoo thing all week, man. It's a mad thing. But yeah, man's got the tattoo now, people. Woii. Big up yourself. I'll see you next time. You know what I'm saying? Competition time, man. Yo, this one's cool, man. So we're going to find out who wins the tattoo. Yeah, it's completely fair. As you can see, people, I've got everyone's name who entered in this wheel here. And all we're going to do is just And the winner is Ojakovo. I think I said that right. Big up yourself, my G. Woii. Well done, bro. Wooi people, I hope you enjoyed this week's episode. I would really appreciate it if you hit that like button and press that subscribe button. Wooi. See you next week. Wooi. You know it's the big up section when you see my glasses on, right? Because I can't see nothing. You know, Tingo people. Because I always edit. You know, I always do the big up section when I'm editing. Yeah. So yeah, anyway. Big up Harry Wilkinson. Yeah. Big up Harry Wilkinson. He says, unreal, my man. Shout out to Chris Kirk. He's a huge fan. So, it's a double shout out. Big up Harry Wilkinson and big up Chris Kirk. You get me? Yeah. And also big up Mark Cherry. He says, yes, that comment is correct. Puts bare effort and energy only. Only channel I watch ads and like the videos. Large it up, and I appreciate that. Honestly, watching the ads really does help me. That really, really helps me. So I really would appreciate if you do watch the ads, people. Big up yourself. You get me? Don't forget to, man said, subscribe, like, comment, and share. You know how all the normal stuff. You get me? And I'll see you on Thursday, man.